All right, here's one that really got some people aggravated. Apple's AirPods Max. Super high quality, high-end set of headphones from Apple, which at the time, it was already kind of controversial just because of the price point. What are they, $550? But anyway, recently Apple announced that they were going to introduce lossless audio to Apple Music. And so people cheered. They said, you're dead, Tidal, or whatever they said. I don't know what people said. Lossless audio is this really, it's a controversial topic in and of itself because people dispute whether it's a necessary thing or not. I don't even want to get into the conversation personally, but the point being is these are Bluetooth first headphones, so they're wireless first. Now, you're not going to get lossless over wireless, period. But what's pissing people off a little bit here is that these aren't going to support any version of lossless, even with the wire, because of the way the conversion takes place on the wire from analog into analog, I should say. And so you got the comment section here in the Mac Rumors post. People are aggravated saying, I just spent $550 on Apple's super duper high quality pair of headphones, and I can't use this really, a feature that they're choosing to market now.
Yeah.
I got to go.
Necessary hardware for it, right?
They would have to go out and get a third-party set of headphones in order to experience this feature. But they bought the best that Apple has to offer in that department. Now, I don't know if it was always according to plan or if Apple didn't have plans when they were working on the AirPods Max to then go lossless. Will there be another version that's capable of such a thing? But either way, you can see this profanity in the comment section here. Are you effing kidding me? My $600 headphones don't support even being wired. They just freaking release them. So he went from effing with the stars to back to freaking, because I guess that the post would have been deleted in the comment section.
Yeah.
Or something.
So he toned it down a bit.
Who on God's earth are they bringing lossless to Apple Music for? For all the people that don't buy their products? Anyway, you can see it turned into a controversial topic, kind of like, everything that Apple does. Now, on the bright side, they do support spatial audio.
Sure.
But we already knew that.
Good.
We already knew that. Yeah. That's a fun one. There is an argument that many, many people can't hear the difference as far as lossless is concerned. I've done some of the tests myself. Sometimes I can tell, depending on the environment. Sometimes I can't. It's really hit and miss with the individual. We're talking about a subtle difference in most listening chains. Now, there's some people that have all types of special gear, and that's a unique listening circumstance. I understand why people would just want to have it to say they have it too, because they spend so much money on the headphones. But anyway, that's where it sits right now. It's been confirmed apparently that AirPods Max will not be supporting lossless audio, even if you use the adapter wire.